Hello everyone, it's good to see you. Welcome to our video. In this video, we will be learning about inference. What is an inference? Why is it important? And how someone make an inference. But first, we should know about what is an inference. So, an inference is a logical conclusion formed by examining evidence and using existing knowledge. It is the process of thinking that allows someone to determine something which is not directly stated or seen. By combining observed clues with what is already understood, a person can reach a new understanding or make a judgment about a situation.
Now that we know what is inference, why do we need inference? Well, by making inference, we can create a new and deeper understanding of information. It allows us to think critically and connect a point that is related. We do that by combining evidence with prior knowledge. In reading, it allows readers to understand what is implied but not explicitly stated.
To help you understand inference better, let's start with a simple example of making inference. Look at this text. Manda slammed her hand on the table, shocking everyone in the room. She then left the room without a word. What can you infer about Manda? Who is she? And what might have caused her to act like that? From this short text, we only know a few things. Manda slammed the table, she shocked everyone, and she walked out suddenly. But from those clues, we can infer many possibilities. Maybe Manda was in a classroom or a meeting room. Maybe she got frustrated because her ideas were ignored or someone upset her. Her actions also suggest anger, disappointment, or even stress. The important point is this. We can make many different inferences, and none of them are wrong, as long as they are still connected to the clues provided in the text. Now it's your turn. I'll show you another text, and I'll give you some time to read the text and make your own inference. If you run out of time, you can go back to the text and pause the video. You can also write your answer if you want. After you read that text, you might infer that the person might be Steve's son, his close friend, or someone very dear to him. Maybe the person was a soldier returning from duty, or someone who survived a dangerous situation like a natural disaster or an accident. Now, let's try another one. From this text, we can infer that the author was probably listening to the song while writing this. Even if we haven't heard the song before, we can guess it's a love song with strong guitar melodies and emotional lyrics. We can also infer that Wizard for You might be one of the author's favorite Wizard songs, since they describe it so passionately. If your inference is different from mine, that's completely fine. Inference is not about finding one correct answer. It's about using clues in the text to form reasonable interpretations. As long as your idea is connected to the text, your inference is valid.
Based on this video, we can learn that inference is an important skill to have in daily life, especially when reading a book, journal, or article. Through inference, you can enhance your logical thinking. Based on limited clues and evidence, to conclude a logical result. Inferring can help you to make a logical judgment and interpretation of an event, and also improve your reading comprehension. I hope you learned something from our video and can apply what you have learned on daily basis. Thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to give like, leave a comment if this video helps you understand inference better.